Hey, hello guys. We here in Cosmoprof, North America, Miami, 2026. We have Roni Josef from Wellness. Mr. Roni Josef, I know you probably the longest. I know him over, let's say, 15 years. And being honest with you, where I stand today, where I'm at, is because of him. He's like a father dear to me. He told me everything he knows, and where I know is because of him. So I want to interview Mr. Roni Josef about products. He's in the industry over 40 years. I'm started about 15, 20 years ago, but he being in the industry, built this big industry. He's the first pioneers brought these products in the market. So he already sold so many companies. It's actually his fourth company selling. The first company was Oblipicha, you probably know already. They're actually here too. Maybe we're gonna go there later. Mr. Roni Josef, he's a guru of beauty industry. He knows everybody from everybody. If you want something, promote your company, your brand, this is the guy. He knows so much connection, so many things. I'll be working forever. So he takes company from nowhere to top. So Roni Josef, tell me what's so special about you?
Well, just my history, doing hair for 50 years. I understood the magnitude of what the hair needs, not just creating a shampoo and conditioner. I wanted to make sure the product fits the hair from inside out. And when I discovered the hemp, I saw potential amazing ingredient to go into hair product that have all the benefit in that ingredient with all what the hemp benefit hair, you know?
What's benefits of the hemp for the hair, for instance, scalp?
Well, first of all, it's anti-inflammatory. You know, it take the inflammatory and it can penetrate into the root from inside out with all the benefit, like I said, the hemp, with all the benefit of the hemp oil.
Restoring the scalp, dry scalp.
And regrow the hair, feed the hair from inside out, you know? And I believe, you know, doing hair, how we look is what we eat, okay? What we eat. And that's how we stay healthy, looking good, it's what we eat. So I decided to create a product that comes from earth, not just shampoo and conditioner. And that's one of the reasons what I did with Oblifica before, it comes from earth. We created wellness that comes from earth.
Beautiful, beautiful. So I know this, I heard some ladies have a testimony before they came in the booth. Thank to Mr. Roni Josef. So some lady had some in a scalp, what they call, like eczema. So she's saying after using those products, and the eczema after a week or two disappeared. And that's amazing for people who have eczema, because we know hemp and oil, they're actually, you know, good for a lot of things, for the skin especially.
Sorry to stop you, even cancer survivor, we have testimony after cancer treatment, they lost their hair, they used our product, and the hair grew like crazy.
Very good point.
Yeah, they really, I mean, it's really, you know.
That's wonderful. I saw you have some cool stuff. Can you explain to me about this spray? I saw yesterday we had some lady, she had an extension she had about 300 gram hair, it's a lot. And they did a color next booth, and the hair color, it was so much hair, it goes detangler. And we cannot make a comb, it was very harsh. But if not this product, but those people will sleep here yesterday.
I saw him struggling, I said, okay, I'm gonna help him. So I took the product, the leave-in conditioner, okay, and we sprayed it to the hair because the hair with extension was a mess. Poor guy, okay? We sprayed it all over.
They were like this, the tangle very smooth.
Open all the...
I couldn't believe it. It was
Yeah.
miracle.
Yeah.
And the texture, after we blow dried it, the texture of the hair was so healthy, even though it's a hair extension. I don't think it's 100% hair, human hair. It's mixed with the plastic, and that's why you get the tanglers, because 100% hair, usually, you can open very smooth. Sometimes you have plastic in it, you get the tangle and burn. So this product work, even with plastic work, amazing. That's impressive.
Yeah, it is a manner.
And question, where we can get this?
We can get it in a lot of beauty salon, distribution channel, beauty.
And you guys have your own website?
We have our own website.
What's the website name, sir?
wellnesspremiumproducts.com.
Beautiful, beautiful. So now, also, you have also a cream for probably, I saw for body, right? For body and lotion, right?
Yeah, this is a living cream for hair.
For hair. Oh, what it does?
First of all, it protected from the heat. Before you do blow dry, you can put it on, and it will smooth the hair, beautiful, shiny, easier for the hairdresser to smooth the hair. Amazing.
And I know you before 20 years, 15 years ago, you mix it together like a cocktail. Yeah. So you mix in serum with this thing. Wow, you get, you know, if you have a coarse and dry hair, you apply your blow dry, goes very smooth. and helps you to blow dry cut to half time. And also what's gonna happen, the hair is gonna be so moist and so much nutrition, and that's what hair needs. So basically guys, this product, if you wanna get want a healthy hair, definitely recommend it. Amazing, amazing.
Because we lose the moisture. Each time we shampoo the hair and stuff like that, we need to put the moisture into the hair.
What's the difference between the color between blue and green and
a
purple?
That's a good question. So basically, we created product for each type of hair. The hydration one is more for curly hair, African American, Latino, very coarse hair. We start with this one, the intensive. We start basically for all type of hair, okay? Then we came back and did our Wellplex for damaged hair.
And blonde hair.
With hyaluronic acid inside and the bonding like Olaplex inside. And then we created the Volumplex, which gave a lot of volume to
For light hair, for fine hair, etc. So, question, sir. I don't know how people know about it. Also, it's ampoule right here.
Yeah, we have the ampoule, yeah. In each mat, we give them 4 ampoules for free.
So basically, you mix in the mask and ampoule. Why you have to mix ampoule with the mask? The mask now, enough in already?
You can do it, you can mix it or you can do it different.
What's the benefits you mix them together?
Less time.
So basically, let me give you a layout about explanation what the difference between mask and the conditioner. So conditioner, we know the detangler, but doesn't do any benefits to the hair. So mask does, it's a nutrition. As Mr. Joseph said, each time we're washing our hair, we're removing nutrition from the hair. That's a shampoo of purpose, all right? So now what we do is we're removing, but we're not depositing back. So that means we're actually forcing with the heat to get the shine. We always for the heat. The more heat you do, you get the more shine. So it doesn't have to be necessarily that way. The one way you do, if you want to heal your hair, if you do the right treatments, you don't have to blow dry half an hour. You can blow dry 15 minutes because what the ingredients you have, it helps to recover the hair and smooth the hair, and the hair is going to be very manageable. So guys, today guys, he gave the whole booklet. You guys can go to wellnesspremium.com, products.com. You can get it online. Guys, they have all online here. Feel free. If you want a healthy hair, it starts with the hair of the day. If you have a good hair day, you have a good life. Life is good, guys. Try to remember, with a good hair, your life gonna look great.
When you gonna do Wellness Premium product, it's a system.
They also have free samples on their website. Go to the wellnesspremiumproducts.com. You're gonna see all those information there. They're also distributing around the world. How many countries are you guys in right now?
Right now we're mostly all over Europe. We're 8 countries in South America, all the Bahamas, islands, and obviously in America.
So guys, if they're in so many countries, it doesn't mean anything, right? It says something. Obviously, if they were not being in so many countries, they would probably not say so. They are great, guys. Recommend to try it. It also comes from Holy Land, guys. God with you. Life is good.